Let's take a look at the Photoshop work area or workspace. To make the tools active, let's create a new document from the image saved to the clipboard. The default workspace in Photoshop is something called Essentials. If you go to Window, Workspace, you will see Essentials checked at the top. It's this selection that gives us this arrangement of tools on the left and the right. If we change our workspace selection, you can see the tools change to match the kind of work we want to do. In the middle here, you can see our image within the document window. If you open a second image, it will appear up here as a separate tab. On the left-hand side of the workspace, we have the Tools panel. This contains the tools you will use for editing and creating images. To select a tool, simply click on the icon. To see the name of a tool, hover over the icon, and the tool's name will appear inside a tooltip along with its shortcut key. You will notice most of these icons have a small triangle in the lower corner. This tells us there are more options for this tool. If you click and hold onto these icons, a flyout menu of related tools will appear. At the top of the Tools panel, you will see a double arrow. By clicking this, you can toggle between single and double column format. Directly below the Photoshop menu bar, you have the Options bar. The Options bar is context sensitive and displays the options for the tool you currently have selected. If I switch from Brush Tool to the Text tool, you can see the Options bar change and display options for that particular tool. On the right-hand side of the workspace is the panel dock, containing 8 panels. To activate a panel, click its tab. These panels are initially arranged in panel groups. They are detachable from the panel dock and from each other. The default panel dock also has 2 panel icons for the History panel and the Properties panel. These panels can also be detached. If you find the workspace becomes too disrupted, you can restore it by going to Window, Workspace, Reset Essentials.